heavy snowstorm blankets the streets, causing chaos in northern Japan. Residents struggle to clear the pathways as more snow continues to fall. Public transportation grinds to a halt, with trains delayed and buses stuck in snow.
Local shops and businesses close, with signs reading, "Closed due to weather."
In the countryside, farmers worry as the snow buries crops and damages greenhouses. Emergency services work tirelessly to clear roads and assist stranded residents. Despite the challenges, communities come together to support each other. Authorities urge residents to stay indoors and stay safe as the snow continues to fall.